painting the light. Next shot. Jay, you'll be happy to hear the lights are going off. Switch the lights off, I'll show you how awesome it's going to be. Isn't that awesome? I'm going to be shooting with a flash white balance. Now, flash white balance, I'm going to use this torch as the main light. I'm actually using that as the main light. You switch the lights off. So there's not a lot of light that comes off it, but it's very blue. Yeah? It's really blue, right? Yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, and it's going to be really blue with a flash white balance particularly. But then I'm going to use, no, I'll tell you what, I'm going to use tungsten white balance. And I'm going to use the CTO and make it white on the face. So I'm going to light the face with a flash, and I'm going to light the body with a torch. And I'm going to, that'll get flashed once during the procedure. So the face is going to get flashed once, and that's going to get flashed once. So we should get the most fantastic background, we should get a perfect face, and we should get a dress which has all been painted by this. It's going to be pitch black. The exposure is going to be 1 minute at f8. I need to take a reading off of this to balance up to f8 now. So I need to get a meter, 100 ISO. This is going to be fun when you all come to do this shot. So hold that for me. And I want to be, I'm on 1/16th power at the minute. So that's 4.3, we need to go up in power. So we're going to go up to quarter power. Five, 6, 9, that's 8 as far as I'm concerned. So that's just got our exposure at that distance at 8. The background I'm just assuming is going to be fine. Okay, we'll do a test. Okay, can we switch the lights off? Oh, okay. Right, give me that flash, just hold that. Okay, so what's happened is the flash has been too powerful on the top. I've killed the light on the top half with a flash, but the light in the bottom half has actually worked.
Cool.
Right, so now what we've got to try and think is, can we actually properly paint? It might need a longer exposure, smaller aperture, so we'll maybe go to f11, f16, give it a 2 minute, so as it gives me time to actually come round. Now Natalie is as sharp as a tack, so actually light-wise, it doesn't really matter what she does. We want to try and keep her still, but it doesn't really matter what she does. Background's kind of funky, by the way, I kind of quite like that. Okay, so I need to make a smaller thing here.
Put the small grid up.
Put the small grid on, but also I'm going to put some tape on this and make it a smaller hole. Alternatively, I didn't do that. That's good. This is daylight balance. It's got a CTO on it as well. So then we've got the flash on the back, and what we can do is we can put some gels on the back to make that maybe, she's got pink on, so I'll maybe put red gels again to make that pink. That'd be cool. Yeah. So this purple goes black. That goes,
pink flashes.
the pink slashes in the black, with a pink dress on.
With the blue.
With the blue everywhere. And this just...
On the face.
Still, I'm sure that'll be about enough. Let's give it a try.
Cool.
Let's give it a try. Natalie, go and stand in the middle again for me, please. That's fantastic. Right, we're going to give it another try.
Okay.
We're going to give it a... so I'm going to shut that. I'll do my torch.
That one over there.
Yeah. Something else I'm going to try. What I'm actually looking for is like a wand. You get what I mean?
Yep.
I want to try and make it kind of the dress kind of flowing type of thing. Yeah? So that, if I did all that round about, this would be like just like a halo almost. Do you know what I mean? Ghostly halo, yeah?
Yep.
So, I need my other torch. Right, off you go. I'll tell you when.
Yeah, I know. Okay, cool. They don't count them, innit?
Okay, Helen? That'll do us. Natalie! Natalie's gone. Natalie's eyes have gone round and round and round. Right, Natalie, you can move out of there. Right, light on. Well, it's quite fun, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good fun.
That's amazing.
Hiya.
Yeah.
Let's try. I'm going to set it to time this time, but I feel I'm happy with it. I'm going to go to F11. It's that one there, the red one. You get a good press, yeah? Right, so I'm on time. I'm also going to go to long exposure. Right, stand still because I really need it right. So yeah, it's really kind of, yeah, but you've got to be looking straight to camera as well though, so it's really kind of, yeah, it's whatever. Okay, this has gone down. That's that. I need my torch. Okay. You need to, so I'm going to let you need to be in quite close. Bang, yeah? So you need to be, if you just press it once, it'll go back on again, right? So you need to be sort of there, yeah? Yeah? And that's going to take my background light as well, so that's kind of cool, right?
Okay, cool.
Are we ready?
Hang on.
Hang on, I'm not ready yet. Go.
Okay, hold on.
Right, off now.
My hand's out of shot, yeah.
You'll be fine, yeah. Okay, yep. Okay, go. Force, fantastic. Right.
What the hell are you doing?
Stay really still. Yeah, don't move.
On. It's exciting, isn't it, waiting for it? What's that? Couldn't figure out what that was. It's Helen with the flash, right. Helen's got to come in at the end, I would think. Okay, so F11. I'm actually going to go, I'm going to go to 16. Give it slightly longer. Okay, lights out. Go. Out the road. Light on. It's great fun, isn't it? Come on. Okay, it's not quite there.
So more like what I was doing before.
Yeah, that's it. That's fantastic. Right, but stay there. It's great.
You're gonna light this side. Do you want to leg out?
Right, Helen, you need to just give that a pop for me. Yeah, it's out. I need to come back. It's actually out of shot, which is cool. Manual focus. I don't want to contaminate your face this time, so I've got to be careful what I'm doing. Okay.
Just be careful when you come
Shut that. There's my wand.
Watch my clothes as well, please.
Okay, now, are we ready? Shut that off, and then lights off. Go. Go, Helen. Move that out the road, Helen. Oh.
That's pretty good. That's awesome.
Sharp as a tack.
Wow.
It's pretty wild, isn't it? I'll tell you what, maybe try something, maybe try something a wee bit more extreme with you in terms of, you know, we're talking about smearing your makeup and stuff. That'd be really cool, I think. I'll come in close and do it. So really, you know, just like that, so you're all kind of, yeah, so you're kind of, that's off to the side or something. You know, that's fantastic. I love it. Yeah. Right, so need to get this light sorted. So that is going to be, I want you now look straight at camera. Pretty much, yeah? Right, we're on time, we're ready. That's getting shut. Okay, just lights off now. Go. Fantastic. Right, lights on. Oh yeah, beauty. Oh, it's awesome. It's a single speed light. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, you will be amazed. We'll use a single speed light to light the face, and then I'm going to use the same speed light to do a kicker light here and a kicker light at the legs on this side. And then I'm going to do the same here, a kicker light here and a kicker light here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do a hair light and I'm going to do a background light. So it's a 7 light setup with 1 speed light. Maybe I need more of a bend or something. Maybe that's it. That's it. Good. Okay. No, it doesn't look as good as it did before, honey. It looked better like that. With that twist there. Beautiful. Love it. You're going to be looking at me, all right? Okay. That's got to work.
That was a lot quicker than last time.
Yeah.
Well, well, well. Almost there, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Almost there. Okay. Right, I want you to bring your head this way for me, honey. That's beautiful, right? So, I am ready to roll. Okay, lights off.
Stay really still.
Where's her face? Lights? That'll be the one.
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Ah,
Yes.
that's awesome. That's exactly what I was trying to get.
Oh wow. That's amazing.
That's 7 lights with a speed light in a darkened room. And pretty awesome makeup and a good model. And the hair's alright.